Hey guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the genuine Boss HT4 remote control. Now in 2016, Steelline bought out Boss, so there are no more Boss branded remote controls. Instead, they come out with the Steelline branding. Your old Boss remote control might have 2211-L and in brackets TX on the back. This new one has 303 RTX. It will work the same. The HT4 has a 1-year warranty, and you can buy it from our website using the link in the description below. To see a full list of garage door openers this remote control is compatible with, head on over to our website. We list all compatible garage door openers in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all on the Boss HT4, head on over to our website. Feel free to call us or send us an email. We'll see you next time.